Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with YoWangdu.com. I'd like to show you how to make Thenthuk. Thenthuk is Tibetan noodle soup. Ten means pull, thuk means noodle. I'm cooking for 2 people. I'm using 1 cup of flour, all-purpose white flour. So I'm gonna add half cup of water. So this is pretty good. Now I'm just kneading the dough, and then you have to knead this really well until the dough gets really flexible. Okay, this is pretty good. Now I'm just making this kind of long and like this. Like this, and then I just cut like half, so like this. No, exactly. Maybe you can remove 4 pieces, then you can make again like this. You don't have to be perfect and precise or anything like that. No, I'm going to put a little bit of oil because it won't stick together. So I just kind of, you have to do it like this. So it's actually, I made 5, and it doesn't matter how much you make it. So that's all. I think I'm gonna keep this like covered with the plastic or lid, like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then ready to cook. If you put it in a plastic little while, it gets flexible. Okay, like this. If you want to make meat thenthuk, you need meat, spinach, daikon, Japanese daikon, and a little bit ginger, onion, and then tomato, cilantro, garlic, and then beef bouillon. You can use a little soy sauce. Now I chopped up everything. This is a radish and meat, as you see how big I cut it. This is spinach, cilantro, and tomato. This is beef bouillon, and this is Emma. Emma is Szechuan pepper. This is ginger. This is garlic. This is onion and soy sauce. If you want to use veggie, just take out the meat and beef bouillon. So instead of beef bouillon, you can use the veggie broth. Now I want to show you how to cook the thenthuk. So first I'm gonna stir fry everything. So I'm going to put a little oil, not much, like maybe a little bit more than a tablespoon of oil. That's all you need. Also, you can use any kind of oil. I'm using just olive oil. Heat the oil a little bit. First, I'm going to stir fry with the garlic and ginger, onions. I'm gonna fry it just like, stir fry until it gets sort of brownish. Now the onions are pretty brown, so I'm gonna cook the meat now. So I almost finishing, almost cooked the meat, so I'm gonna put the tomato right now. So I just mix well, and then maybe I'm gonna put the lid on for like 3 minutes. In this point, I add Emma and bouillon, Now I'm going to add soy sauce. So I think it looks like its meat is ready. It's pretty ready. So now I'm gonna cook the daikon. So this will take another maybe a couple minutes. Then add the water. After you boil the water, then ready to put the dough in it. Now I'm gonna add the water. Basically, I have 2 cups of water, and then you can heat the water high until the water gets boiled. Then we can starting to do the dough. Now I'm gonna put the dough. Basically, you have to do like this and like this. It's really simple, straightforward. Like this. So you have to pull a little bit like this, and then like this. You can put it in the pot. So like this. Flatten it and stretch it. Then I'll pull this a little bit. That's why we call Thenthuk. Like this. And then you just it's not too hard, sometimes you have to store it, or you have to store it like this. So this is looking pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna put cilantro and spinach. So this is the final. So it's ready to serve. Basically, you can just cook it like a minute. That's all you have to do. Basically, really you don't have to cook it. Okay, now we're ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video, and we'd love to hear your comments. Thank you.